Hey guys, how's it going? So today we are at my parents' house getting ready to do some planting. We've got a gator load of beautiful stuff, and I think you've got spots picked out for all these, right?
For everything.
For everything?
Yeah.
We've got Empress Woo hostas, we've got Love Story hostas, which are brand new, I think,
love the
this year.
Mm-hmm.
And then we've got the Fall in Love Sweetly anemones and Desert Plains pennisetum. And for those of you who are wondering, we are going to be working on their upper lawn, but probably in the next couple of weeks.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
We're waiting on a couple things. Pedro and his crew are actually here right now, and they're working on sprinklers for where the grass is going to be going back in. And then we're going to redefine borders and plant some beautiful trees that they've already picked out. But they're also waiting for a pergola to be built over the deck. And we're going to do a whole tour of the renovation. It's looking so pretty.
It's not quite done, but it's close.
Yeah. So we will
Yeah.
tour you through that as soon as it's at kind of more of that completed stage. But let's go down to the first location with the Empress Woos, right?
Right.
Now these, you guys, will grow like,
Massive.
yeah, like 4 by 6, I think.
See here.
Height, 3 to 4 feet tall when flowering, 6 feet wide at maturity. But they do need quite a lot of moisture to get to that 6 foot
Okay.
size.
Well, we know how to run lines, don't we?
Yes, we do. All right, I'm gonna follow you.
Okay.
We're heading down to the orchard area, which I think this spot right now looks like it's in a bit of sun, but it's in shade for most of the day. And you guys will get to see the beautiful daffodils. Look at all of them down here. They're so pretty.
Well, and Laura, we need to do a bit of weeding.
Okay. It's not bad.
Not bad,
No.
but it hasn't been done at all
Dibs.
since last fall.
Dibs on the big one.
Oh, that's satisfying.
It is. Okay, so we're just gonna put them around in this area, right? I'm just gonna plunk them down and you can place them where you want, and I'll dig the
Well,
holes.
Yeah, we need to talk about it because those are
Hydrangeas.
little quick fire.
Okay. Okay.
They don't get that big, but a couple of them didn't make it last year.
Okay.
So I can redo. It's not a big deal.
Well, they get little quick fire, don't they get like 3 to 4? So they'll still be higher because these are only
and these will
3
go
to
down
4.
lower.
Yeah.
They'll be planted down in this area
Whoop.
right here. Uh-oh.
Yeah, that's the problem until you get them planted. And it says they're only 3 to 4 when they're in bloom. So it's the bloom stalks that give them that
Oh,
height.
then they'll be perfect.
I think they'll be perfect
yeah,
right
that's
here.
perfect.
Filling in this whole section with a nice
Yeah.
hedge of hydrangeas behind them.
I should put the cushions and the tablecloth out so we can have like a beverage,
Yes.
like a morning coffee.
Yes.
Okay,
Great.
I'll do that.
Okay. I'll get the rest of the hostas. This is why I like to come out here and plant. We stop and enjoy a lot more.
What do you think?
Oh yeah.
Like that?
Oh, that looks good. Oh, do you want the anemones right down here?
I think so.
Oh, that would look nice.
Don't you think? Because out here they get a little bit more sun
Yeah.
out here towards the boxwoods.
Yeah.
Which these are little Montbrunos.
Perfect.
You know, that stay littler.
Yeah. Also, I've got more anemones. So if we do like a little swoop of anemones and we need
Yeah.
to add a couple more,
Okay.
we've got that.
Okay. Alrighty. Yeah, I need to take account of how many little quick fires I need to re-get. It looks like just 2. Yeah.
Maybe 3.
Maybe
No, that one has growth.
Yeah, those two are
Those
dead.
2, yeah.
Those are
Dead and dead.
losers.
Total losers. And I skipped bringing my auger out because I knew we were going to be planting right underneath these great big trees. And we've done this before. It's pretty, root heavy and rock heavy around here. So shovels can sometimes be a little bit easier, especially when you're dealing with the bigger augers. Is that all of them?
Yeah.
Oh,
I just love this.
it's fun.
It's so fun.
Also, look at this. Yes. Do you want anemones all the way up to like the edge here? I could bring 2 more out later on.
That would be really nice
Yeah,
to
to
kind of
finish it
finish
off.
this. But that looks so nice and it gives every
Pretty.
plant enough room.
Yeah.
Because I think those hostas are going to need it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
But that's really, really pretty. Look at this.
Look at the textures.
Yeah.
Look how pretty that is.
And you'll have your evergreen. You've got some color, which will start like mid-summer.
Yes.
And then a really bold texture. And then you'll have your hydrangea flowers.
yes.
Oh, it's pretty. I love it.
It's coming back, Laura. The plumbago.
Oh, good. I haven't checked mine.
This is the one from High Country Gardens. It's the one they sent us as a trial.
Oh, nice.
And it is doing. It's got it.
And that's a dogwood, right?
This is a wolf's eye dogwood.
Nice.
It's a Monrovia.
I bought one of those.
Yeah.
And put it in a pot. Yours is bigger than mine.
It looks like it's done well. And then there's a little. Hey, Michael. What's this dogwood called? I can't remember.
It's a redbud.
Oh, a redbud. It's a rising sun, right? Rising sun redbud.
Nice. So this is the anemone right here with the sweet pink flowers. So 20 to 26 inches tall, and they'll spread out like 30 inches. Yeah. So spacing them like Mom has is going to be perfect. And I think maybe even just one more, Mom.
Yeah, I think so too.
Don't you think? One more to the lineup, and that'll look perfect.
It's going to be so pretty.
Zone 4 through 8 on the anemones, and I think 3 through 9. Let me check. I've got a hands full of stuff. Yeah, 3 through 9 on the hostas.
That's a good hardy one.
It is.
Yeah.
All right, let's plant.
Okay.
And there it is, almost done.
Almost done.
Almost done. So we're going to do one more anemone I'll bring up for the end of this hedge. And then 1 to 2 more hostas.
Yeah.
Don't you think?
Yep. And then 2 replacement of the hydrangea.
Oh, and you can hardly see.
Yeah.
So most of them have new green growth except for these 2 right here. All of these are coming back, and the end one. So just a little bit more work in this bed and it'll be full.
Yeah, I'll mulch it so the tubes don't show and it'll look pretty.
I love the bold texture in this space a lot.
Yes, I do too.
And kind of that blue tint because you've got yellow twig dogwoods right up there.
Aren't those pretty?
Yes, really pretty.
Yeah.
Okay, where are the other hostas going? North side.
In north side.
Okay, let's head that way. And I think we're undecided on where the grasses are going at this point. We might just have to take a stroll around to determine their location.
We can always find a spot.
Oh, you can have like a little hidey hole in that.
Yes.
That trunk.
Yep, for like frogs.
Yeah, how fun. Do you want to just stop here and we can walk them up?
Oh yeah, sure.
Now you already unloaded some hostas up there, right?
Yeah, I unloaded 3.
Okay. So let me take the tag out of this one. Real quick, I'll run over the stats. So 16 inches tall, 36 to 42 inch spread, zone 3 through 9, white flowers. Those will be pretty. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh, they're going to be such a bright spot over here.
Yeah, isn't it going to be pretty?
Yeah. So they just put this arbor kind of creating an alcove. Yesterday?
Yesterday. Oh. Well, you know, we always go in on Sundays to do paperwork and things when we're closed.
Yeah.
But we can't ever come home with nothing.
No. So some climbing hydrangeas and the arbor. I think that's going to be so pretty. And there's other things. There are a couple hostas coming up in here, but like check this out. Look how bright that looks.
Isn't that pretty? You know, the thing is, this took a beating with a remodel. So they had a bunch of stuff that they were tearing off the house and it landed here. And so we're just getting it back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you place them. I can dig the holes.
Okay, so do we want to, how tall do these get?
Those get 16 inches tall, but they can get a 3 to 3.5 foot spread.
So if we put them, do you think that's tall enough?
I think yeah.
Because I mean, it'd be nice to see some of the base. I don't know though. Maybe we want them like in a drift, or maybe we want them around here.
How about we set them out a couple ways and see which way you like?
Okay.
all planted. Mom's getting them all watered in. They look like such a bright spot over here.
They do.
And they're going to
I
get
love
so big. They're going to create this just huge mass. They're so beautiful.
them. Yep.
I think just the mix of hostas and boxwood is just good.
Yeah, it is.
And Mom was just telling me that last fall, I didn't even notice, but last fall she got around to trimming these, but not those.
That's right.
Yeah, I thought it was on purpose.
Something to look forward to.
That's true.
This fountain only needs to be filled about once a week.
Oh, that's nice.
It's in the shade. It doesn't splash.
Uh-huh.
So, yeah, and I think it's going to look beautiful with hydrangeas all across the top.
Yeah, for sure. I can't remember. Do those turn color in the fall?
They do.
Do you know what color? Are they yellow or red?
Red.
Oh, pretty.
Yeah.
All right, all we have left are those 3 Desert Plains Pennisetum, but I do want to show you this little area down here. It's just so pretty right now. So look at all the Brunnera. You know, it started out as just single plants and it has just kind of seeded itself around and created this beautiful little carpet. And then the rock wall, now the Boston, or the ivy here, it's not Boston ivy. I don't know why.
It's English ivy.
English ivy. It's been here since...
It's been here for we've been here for 34 years, and it was here when we got the place.
And it died all the way back like 2 years ago, right?
And a couple times in our
Yeah.
time of being here, it's died back.
And it has rebounded beautifully, but it's kind of covering the rock wall formation here. But you can see all of the beautiful hellebores. And those have just kind of, you planted some of them, but a lot of them have self-seeded.
That's right.
Yeah, just so pretty. But down here, oh, and this. Oh, Mom, there's a big bumblebee.
Oh.
Oh, here it is. Oh my gosh.
A big bumble?
It's got orange on its bum.
Oh.
How pretty is that?
He's a happy bumble.
Yeah. Well, I'd be happy if I stumbled upon this.
Yeah.
The jackpot. Look at that. Oh, we've been noticing a few of these around out at our house as well. Anyway, I love it when the violets come through the rock wall and kind of just do their own natural thing in this space. But down here, these ivory prints, hellebores, I mean, can you even see leaves? I don't think so. It's just 100% blooms. Look at that. These are pretty spectacular.
They're ivory prints.
Aren't they beautiful?
Aren't they something?
Oh,
Yeah. It's such a really sweet time of year when you see all the littles coming up.
yeah, everything's starting to pop
And they're
through
just
and
like,
a little bit
"We
of
made
color.
it,
Yeah.
We made it.
Oh, okay. Now, you haven't always been an ornamental grass fan.
No, but since they've developed some prettier ones, I really liked them.
And Dad really liked these in our garden last year.
Yes, he does.
So, where do you think? Do you think around maybe the pool area or out toward the barns?
We could do them out by the sheep barn.
Do you want to walk out there and see?
Yeah.
Well, I guess we need to
can
drive.
Yeah.
And we were out here last year or the year before planting hostas. These are the variety called Wee.
But look at how much they've grown.
Yeah, well, and they're so fluffy and frilly. I love that.
And look at the thistle right to your
Oh,
left.
I see it.
Oh, don't do it. Don't do it.
I don't know if I can without a shot. Well, I got some
That's
of
okay.
it. At least it'll keep it from flowering.
Yes. They're wicked.
Forsythia in bloom.
Yes. I was thinking right in here. What do you think?
Let's take a look.
Or we could do them on the other side of the picket fence down the lane. There's not much in that bed either.
Let's go take a look.
See, there's this area.
We planted lupins out here that are just kind of an annual.
I can't get them to go.
I can't either.
I
No.
want them to go.
I know it,
and
me
I just
too.
can't.
Okay, well they would
Yeah.
fill in that space for sure. So, yeah,
But
think about that.
those are Winchester Cathedral, David
Pretty.
Austin roses.
Uh-huh.
These are the David Austin Evelyns and they're hanging on. They're
Yeah.
coming back. There's growth on all of them. Hi, CS. Hi, Kiki. Hi, Kiki. But yeah, they don't even produce this one anymore for us. So I want those to come back.
Yeah.
See, we've got this area.
Ooh, this area is pretty small.
Really?
I mean, width-wise.
You think so? Like
Yeah.
right in the back here somewhere they wouldn't do it?
Well, they would do it. They would do
But
it
they
big.
would big. Maybe
Yeah,
too big.
maybe. This fills up with hollyhocks, doesn't it?
It does.
Unless we put them like in a cluster right in here or like right down there,
Yeah, there's nothing right here.
right in here.
Why don't we do them in here?
Okay.
Okay.
That
let's
sounds
go.
good.
I'll go get the gator.
Okay. I can hear you coming.
Oh, it's supposed to be a safety feature, but
Yeah.
man, it ruins your ears in the meantime.
Well, I think that these are going to look really pretty right here because you guys, this whole area behind them gets filled up by hollyhocks, right?
It does.
Yeah. So big, beautiful bank of hollyhocks and then some pretty ornamental grass. There's some yarrow, the cottontail yarrow I think we planted out here, right?
We did. Actually, it's still
I
down
can
there.
see it. Yeah, I can see it coming back up.
Yeah.
And the little boxwood hedge. And this is an oak right here of some variety.
Well, a lot of these trees just came in and either they were damaged or not labeled, so we weren't sure.
Sure.
But we thought, well, we've got a spot to put them.
Yeah. I remember, I think it was this blue spruce was really kind of mangled, wasn't it? When it came in, yeah.
And it turned out really, it just needed a chance.
It did, and it looks really pretty right
Yeah.
there. So these desert planes grow 3 to 4 feet tall and wide. They're going to be a statement in and of themselves, and they get huge bottle brush seed heads, and they're just so phenomenal. They create a dome of those bottle brush seed heads. Like they send out some stems kind of horizontally, and then there's, seed heads at the end of those, and then they have them all the way around to the other side. So it just looks like this huge mass of that kind of interest. I think they're so pretty. And here are the spoils, and a few more coming.
After the rain, it's so nice to weed.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it. I actually love to weed.
And now we're gonna go make ourselves a beverage, right?
Yes.
Go enjoy in the nice sunshine.
Yeah, we need to rest a minute.
We woke up to a light frost this morning, which I think is the coldest day on our 10-day forecast. So hopefully that was the last one. But it was chilly when we started out, and now it's feeling glorious. The sun feels so warm. So anyway, guys, that is it for our project today. We're just gonna go take a little moment and have a break. I'm gonna head home and do some more work, and I think you guys have a full day planned as well, right?
We do.
Dad already ran into town for more supplies.
Yeah, he did. And then, so we've got a big day, and I need to weed.
Yeah. Well,
Big time.
sounds like a good day to me.
Yeah.
So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will be giving you updates on these plants because we do plan on coming back to do probably a tour at some point, don't you think, Mom?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then also we will tour you through the renovation as soon as that's done, which should be very soon. And then we're also going to bring you along for the landscaping of the brand new sort of space up there.
I can't wait.
Kind of bare dirt at the moment. So I hope you guys are all having a great day, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.